When it comes to choosing a managed services provider, it's not just about picking a random IT company. It's about finding a partner who really gets your business and can help you grow. As Michael Pfaff, Director of Operations for NDSE, says, "A great MSP doesn't just fix IT issues, they prevent them, communicate clearly, and make sure your tech always supports your business goals." One of the first things to consider is experience. You want an MSP that's worked with businesses like yours and understands your specific challenges. You'll also want to take a close look at the services they offer. Some MSPs just provide basic support, while others bring more to the table, things like cybersecurity, cloud management, and IT strategy. It's important to find someone who offers the right services and who can grow with you as your business changes. Speaking of growth, a great MSP should also be super responsive. When things go wrong, and let's face it, they sometimes do, you need quick support. Make sure to ask about their response times and availability, especially for off hours or emergencies. And don't forget cybersecurity. With all the threats out there today, it's essential that your MSP has strong protection measures in place. From firewalls to regular security assessments, they should help protect your business from potential attacks. Finally, an MSP should act as more than just an IT fix-it team. They should offer strategic advice. A solid MSP will help you align your technology with your long-term goals, helping you plan for the future. To dive deeper into what to look for in a great MSP, check out our full guide and be sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for future listening.